ladies and gents. Welcome back to Mo's World. I'm Mo. So, I'm here to bring you a hairstyle. It was requested from a subscriber to see how I created this. This is a beautiful look, still very lazy, works for my needs. It helps my locks stay moisturized and my scalp, but yet still looks very beautiful at the same time. It's been great for the winter months and especially keeping the lint away. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye. So you all, I hope you enjoyed watching this simple tutorial of how I created this simple, lazy, but yet still elegant hairstyle. It literally takes me a few minutes. I either take my shower, I actually put it up, usually up in a bun like this before I go in the shower. So when I come out, I do my moisture routine with my face and I just put on this thing right here, get dressed, and that's a wrap. I go on about my day. So hopefully you all enjoyed it. Like I said, you could buy those things, these headband things, at Walmart. You could buy them 2 in a pack for, at least at my local Walmart, it is $3.88. I have several. I really like them. They show up like this. They're rolled up like one in a packet. There's 2 of them and they're rolled up like this, but yet they stretch out. So it gives the illusion that you have like this fancy, elegant head wrap thing, but it's really holes on both sides. So it's a very easy way to make it work, and you don't have to use, you know, a tutorial or instructions to figure it out, because I'm horrible at those things. So anyways, it gives the illusion of actually having something like that. Please let me know what you want. Any more videos, any questions you have for me, whatever you want, just put it down in the comment section below, so I can bring you the content that you're actually desire to watch. Look forward to new, I don't know, some changes in the new year with the videos and the editing and just backdrop and just even some of the content. So in order to make it what's, I don't know, best for this channel and what you guys desire to watch, definitely would love your input. So with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day. I hope this video finds you blessed wherever you're at. Bye.